Writing in Google Docs is great, but sometimes you need extra tools to stay productive, focused, and optimized. That's why we built GDocsPlus, an all-in-one writing companion that works right inside Google Docs. Let me give you a quick tour. Once installed, GDocsPlus lives here in the sidebar. Everything you need is just one click away. Here's the real-time word and character count. Let's set a goal of 1,000 words. As I keep typing, you can see the progress bar moving closer to the target. Simple but powerful for staying on track. Next is keyword management. I'll add productivity as a keyword. Now, whenever I use it in my text, GDocsPlus tracks it for me. If I miss it, I'll know right away. Perfect for keeping content focused. We've also added a Pomodoro timer. Just press start and you can work in focused sprints with breaks in between. It helps you get more done without burning out. Want to set the mood? You can play background music directly inside GDocsPlus. Just paste in a YouTube link and you're ready to go. And for content creators, GDocsPlus comes with SEO insights. You'll see keyword density, readability scores, common phrases, and even a hyperlink report. These insights help make your writing clear, optimized, and engaging. That's GDocsPlus, your writing companion for focus, progress, and better content, all inside Google Docs. You can install it directly from the Google Workspace Marketplace or simply open your Google Doc, click on Extensions Add-ons Get Add-ons, and search for GDocsPlus. Try it today at GDocsPlus.com. Thanks for watching.